Meaning of honestly.
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 Honestly. Honestly is an adverb that implies truthfulness and transparency in speech or actions. It is often used to emphasize the sincerity of a statement in contrast to a potential lie or deception. The word holds significance in situations where being truthful and forthright is valued, such as in personal relationships or professional settings. Its use can convey a sense of trust, integrity, and vulnerability. Overall, honestly serves as a marker of authenticity and is vital for building trust and fostering positive interactions between individuals.